Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge, Carry the Crafters Challenge, and we are going to do July 16th today. So here is our postcard, and we're going to start on this side. So off we go on the 16th. Now we're over halfway through the month already. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. So we are going to pop this jelly print on here. As you know, that is a requirement to use something on your postcard that is made on a jelly plate. So I'm just going to put a little edge around my little girls here. I believe these are from Louisa Heinzel. Heisel? I don't know. I'm having a moment. Okay. The 16th is going to be these tickets. I think I want to put these on first. So that's what we'll do. Always a little tricky on these die cuts to get your glue where you want it to be and not all over your hands. But we're going to give it a try here. Probably get it on my hands. That's just part of how it works. Okay. So we're going to kind of go about like that, I think. Okay. And then we'll put on our tickets. Yeah, I was lucky enough to find some of these tickets with numbers, and it's just a fun way to get the date onto the postcards. So they'll go over just a little bit, show a little other color on the edge. Okay, and then these little girls are just going to go right down there. Oh, I think they're so cute. Okay, I think we need a little bit of distressing. Not too much. A little bit, not too much. There we go. July 16th. Thanks so much for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.